I am at 13825 South Lady Bar Lane, Orland Park, Illinois. Homeowner's name, Todd Glenn. For the information I have been given, State Farm has covered vents and soft metals. So I have my vent. Okay, this vent, there is a nail in the front. There's a nail right there. Let me take this camera off. A nail right there. And therefore, a nail right here. So, because of these ones in the front, it's my understanding that this shingle needs to be covered. I was not given any shingles I was not given a brand or color to replace. So it looks like 3, 1, 2, oh, there's another vent back here. 3 vents. 4. Yeah, it's a nail. 4. And possibly even 5 vents, depending on if that one has a nail in front. From here it does not look like it. But these 4 up here, it looks like 4 shingles are already in order. As for repairability, and removing one of these shingles, I think we're going to do whatever one gives us the best lighting. I think this one is the most consistent. I won't be bending over it as much, therefore there will be more consistency. Alright, I'm reattaching my camera. So as stated, it seems that 4 shingles already should be covered, given the fact that these vents are nailed, at least on this top portion of the roof, this second story. These vents are nailed into place. So we're going to start by labeling our shingles. I'll call this one 1 because this one will be impacted. This is still, ooh, this is a different shingle actually, number 2. This shingle extends all the way over here. So this is shingle number 3. This is a different shingle than that. This is number 4. Hopefully we won't have to mess with this shingle, but we will have to mess with this one. I'll label that one 6 just in case, but it looks like just these 5, maybe 6 shingles we'll be dealing with right now. So to begin, we'll remove this nail. When they have the caulk on them, makes it a little more tedious, but that's okay. Okay, 1. So now what we have to do, we're going to go about the length of the snake tool out so that we have enough shingle to play with while replacing these. not going beyond what the snake tool is allowing. Side motion. Anywhere from 12 to 18 inches out is how I understand it. That should be enough for me to be able to get any nails out. Given that fact, I might need to... I'm not going to mess with shingle number 6 yet. All right. We won't need to do this. Well, again, shingle number 1, because it ends here. It's already impacted. It already has a hole in it. So if this were a genuine repair, I would have to, in good faith, replace this shingle. On shingle number 4 here. Again, going 12 to 16 inches out. Yeah, around there. Good. This is still shingle number 5. I should have indicated that. But we will have to get underneath this one. Oh, there's already a nail there. Just about there. All right, so first nail out, second nail should be right around here. Right. So sometimes roofers, they put this first shingle down, they put the mushroom vent on, and then they nail into the plywood up here. This is going to be very invasive if that is the case. I don't know if there are any more nails. There's one right here. You see the angle of the snake tool right up against the vent causes the shingle to rub up against it. I'm trying not to do too much. I'm actually trying to go underneath the vent to help me, but even so, the angle causes it to nearly mar the edge. I'm not going crazy. There's one more. It's probably consistent. Yep. Going underneath the mushroom vent to pop this up, nice and gentle like. All right. Well, here we are. All right. So, give me just 1 second. Let's see what we're doing. You can see right here the hole that's created as a result of the nail leaving, but and a certain amount of mat transfer. And what we're looking for during this is mat transfer, granule retention. The shingle pliability comes into factor there. There's mat transfer right there. Let's see. There's even more so over here. I will get clearer pictures after this, but a good amount of mat transfer down to the fiberglass of the shingle. We already know we have to replace number 1 because of this hole. Perhaps there's mat transfer. There is mat transfer under here as well. So number 1 would need to be replaced. Number 2 would need to be replaced because mat transfer is considered damage. On number 4, let's see. There's our snake tool angle. There's mat transfer there as well. Well, I apologize for the movement. I will get clearer pictures of all of this after, but right near my pinky, right there is mat transfer as well. And even toward the 12 to 16 inch, right around here on shingle 4, mat transfer caused by shingle 5. So I would need to replace number 1, number 2 due to mat transfer, number 4 due to mat transfer. Just to see the mat transfer on number 1 again, to show that it's consistent, you have some mat transfer there. And a really good amount here. So number 1 would certainly need to be replaced. So right now we're 3 for 3 on mat transfer. I mean, we lift up this. There is also a bit of mat transfer right here on shingle number 3. See right here, that's down to the fiberglass. 4 for 4. I did not lift up shingle number 6, but even the little amount that was already popped up pretty easily on number 5, again, caused mat transfer on shingle number 3 here. I'm 4 for 4 on mat transfer here. If I replace those shingles, I need to take them out. I mean, I would need, in order to remove shingles number 1 and 2, I would need to get under here. Given the 4 for 4 mat transfer that has gone on so now up to this point in time, mat transfer would also occur on this one, and it would be a domino effect all the way down this slope. I'm confident that that would happen on this as well. That one down here, this is my extra, so that doesn't need to be counted. And this one right here, if mat transfer keeps going, then all of these faces would need to be replaced as a result of it, and therefore this roof is in a non-repairable state. I will have clearer photos documenting the mat transfer right after this.